It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shopping. It's my life. I need money, 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 money. Yeah. It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life.
What up, Brewery Gang? Welcome to my channel, and today's video is gonna be how I make music. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those who aren't new to my channel, welcome back. And I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope that helps you guys to make music if you want to become a singer or a rapper, so you can be able to make songs. And it's for free, you guys. And if you want to see more videos, then subscribe. So let's get this over with the tutorial. You can make music from these apps by using your phone or your tablet, so you don't have to use your PC or computer just to make music. And my first app I use is called Music Maker Jam. And it's a really cool app where you can do loops by using beats, bass, and electronic instruments. And you can also use different types of instruments like piano, guitar, electric guitar, and other instruments that you like to use. And that's the first app I use. And the second one I use is BandLab, where I can sing, and you can also do loops, like musical loops, just like Music Maker Jam, but not good at this app. That's why Music Maker Jam is better, because it has like, you can do like better rhythm and better instruments. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, I recommend use this app to make music. And for BandLab, you sing with it. Like, it has like auto tunes. You can change voices, like reverb and all that. It's cool, Riri Gang. So I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial that I showed you guys about the BandLab. I meant like Music Maker Jam. So yeah, I hope that really helps you guys. And if you want to make songs or rap, you can write your own lyrics, because all the singers and rappers usually write songs based on what they're going through or what comes to their mind. Know what I'm saying? And if you're struggling how to write your own lyrics and you don't know what to put in it, I recommend using AI, but I don't recommend copying all the AI's words, because that's a bit cheating. But you can try and make your own words, so people wouldn't know that you're using AI lyrics, like copy AI's words. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys, so you can follow your dreams that you want to become a singer or a rapper. And don't mind my voice, because I just got a cold. I really don't know why. Maybe because I've been outside and it's freezing cold, or I just had like Chipotle burrito today with spicy salsa, and I had no idea how spicy salsa is, because I thought that it wouldn't be spicy enough, so I added hot sauce, and it made my nose running and it made me cough. But not gonna lie, Chipotle's burritos are bussing. So anyways, let's not change the subject and get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so this is an app I use, Music Maker Jam. so I'll show you where they have tutorials. Like when you start to download this app, it gives you like a quick tutorial before you make an actual music that you like and buy other music from the store. And when you finish the tutorial, it gives you a lot of free Bitcoins when you completed it. And if you run out of Bitcoins and you want to buy more, then you have to pay for them. Or if you want free Bitcoins, so you don't have to spend your actual money, you can follow their tasks as long as you complete them. So anyways, let's get straight to tutorial before I end this video. Alright guys, so this is section 1, the first tutorial. Isn't it cool, Riri Gang? And if you want to stop this sound, then click it. Or if you want more sound, then click it again. And if you want to change it up, then you can swipe. And then if you want to add more music, then click it. And then swipe again. It's so cool, right? And then you can also switch, like depends which topic you like. Alright. Looks like we're heading for second tutorial. You ready, Riri Gang? And then you add the next clip. Alright. And then if you want to repeat all parts, you can, if you want to. And since I already finished all these tutorials, I don't get rewards unless I buy Bitcoins or complete the free tasks. So we're heading to the third tutorial. And let's go. And if you want a voice record yourself singing, sorry about that guys. Anyway, so I don't recommend voice record from here because you won't be able to hear your voice unless you got maybe a microphone with you. I don't know, but it's not that good. So yeah, if you want, you can. Alright, let's see what that sounds like. No, I mean, Riri Gang, I can't be able to hear my voice because of the beats. Oh yeah, and you can adjust the volume, how loud you want it. And whenever you're ready, press done. Oh my gosh. I just wish that I wouldn't get this cold. Anyways, let's get into our fourth tutorial so we can finish the video. And you can mute whenever you're ready. And if you want another one, you can. And if you want to save your project, press the 3-line settings and then press save project. Oh! And then you can name it whatever you want. you go, Riri Gang. So that's it. Anyways, Riri Gang, I hope it helps you guys to make music and songs. And if you want to see more tutorials from me, subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching. And stay tuned for Riri's TV. Riri's out.
It's my life.